In this video today, I'm going to practically show you step-by-step process that you can follow to open a verified Payoneer account that you can use to link it to your TikTok account so that you can receive payment, most especially if you are in a country where PayPal is not allowed or you cannot use your PayPal account to receive money, because Payoneer is like an alternative of PayPal, and this account is, you can also use it to link to your Fiverr, to Upwork. If you write and publish your book on Amazon, you can use Payoneer account to receive and send money. You can use it for people per hour. You can use it for over 27 different websites right now currently that are accepting Payoneer as alternative to PayPal. And what is so good again is that you can also even open a PayPal account that you can link to Payoneer, in the sense that by the time people send you money to that PayPal account, it will come through Payoneer account. So if all this interests you, kindly give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, kindly do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. And lately, I've been doing a lot about TikTok too, so you can just check, all right? And if you want to start your TikTok, but you don't know how to go about it, in the description of this video, I will drop a link that will take you to all the videos I have done about TikTok and even YouTube, all right? So the first thing we need to do is to sign up. And how do you sign up? For you to get to this page that I am right now, in the description of this video, I drop a link where it will say sign up for Payoneer account. And again, I'm going to pin it as a comment in the comment section. And meanwhile, if you cannot get it through all these means that I've said, you can just comment Payoneer. If you comment Payoneer, I will just give you a link that will bring you right here, so that you will not go and use a wrong page that you might be scammed at the end of the day. So the first thing we need to do is to click sign up right here, okay? And the moment you click this sign up, there is something that makes a lot of people used to have issue with Payoneer, is this, all right? So if you are signing up for Payoneer, you will see this freelancer, or as an online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation, or individual. So if you click as a freelancer, is the best, okay? If you click on as a freelancer, you will see option, you get paid by international clients or freelance marketplace. So I want to show you the place that a lot of people are making mistake. So let me go back. So but if you sign up right here, okay, I want to go back again. I want to show you the difference, the mistake that a lot of people are making. So if you click on as an individual, there are some things, okay, that you are not going to get, all right? So let me go back and sign as a freelancer, okay? So you click sign up, okay? I want to take it, it might be lengthy, but it will be beneficial, I promise, all right? So click on freelance, and it will tell you this: get paid by international clients or freelance marketplace, and you click on that, and it's going to bring you right here, all right? Freelancer, agency, or service provider getting paid by clients via marketplace. As you can see, it's telling you all the things you can do. You can get paid by your global clients and every other things. You can withdraw your phone to ATM, you can pay your supplier and all that. So the next thing you need to do is click on register right here. But if you click on sign in, that means you already have an account. So you click on register. By the time you click on register right here, it's going to bring you to this page where you are going to sign in, okay? Where you are going to input your details, okay? Of course, you go with the individual. My business isn't registered or include sole proprietors and all these things, but me, I prefer the option of individual because my business, I am the CEO of my business. So I'll go with the option of individual. Then you are going to go in right here and input your name. But there is something that is very important right here. As you can see, first name used in your government issued ID card, written in English character, all right? What this means is that you need to check for the government issued ID card that you want to use to verify your Payoneer account. Make sure you carry that ID card and check what is your first name. Like me now, if my first name is IJAPARI and my last name is GYANG on my ID card, and I come here and put GYANG as a first name and IJAPARI as a last name, I'm going to have issues verifying my Payoneer account. Please give me a like with all this that I'm giving you, all right? The more you like the video, all right, the better it is for the algorithm. And that is your way of telling me thank you. And please again drop a comment, thoughtful comment in the comment section. It means a lot to me. Okay, then right here your first name and last name as written in your government approved ID card. Okay, the next thing, you put your email address, ensure you put your active email address, and right here you re-enter your email address, and here you put your date of birth. I used to wonder why a lot of people used to have several date of birth. Like me now, my date of birth is my date of birth. I've never changed that, but if you change it, good and fine. I'm not criticizing you. All right, so when you input all that, you are going to click on next. So the next thing is you are going to enter your country, your street number, your city or town, zip or postal code, and phone number, and a verification code will be sent to you, which you input right here. So once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on next, you are going to put a very strong password. Ensure it's something very strong that somebody cannot guess. Please don't use your phone number right here. And then the next thing is you are going to be asked a security question, and don't choose your birthday. Choose like your best uncle or something that someone cannot guess quickly. Then once you click on pick one security question, you are going to input your answer down below. Ensure you copy it down because you are going to need it later. And then the next thing is you are going to select a government issue ID card, either your international passport or driving license. Okay, you are going to select a national ID card. So please don't use your NIN right here. So use your international passport or your driving license. So once that is done, you are also going to input the date of expiring date and your issue date. That's the day that it was issued. The next thing is you are going to enter this code right here. A code will be shown for you. You are going to click on that code, all right, and then you are going to click on next. So once you click on next right here, it will show, of course, is a personal account. So here you are going to also select your currency. In my own case is Nigeria. Okay, and then the next thing is bank account registration guide. So you are going to put in your bank account here. So right here, like me, currently I'm using GT, that is Guaranteed Trust Bank. So I'm going to select my bank right here. So once that is done, I'm going to fill in my account number. So I'll put in my account number and I'll agree to terms and condition and the pricing. I'll click on submit. Okay, once I click on submit, it's going to show me that it's under review. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm just go to my email and I will see thank you for applying for Payoneer and all this. So I'll click verify my email. So once I have verified my email, I'm going to wait, like sometimes it could be 2 hours, sometimes it can take days. So and you will now check back and you will receive an email that will tell you that we have reviewed your Payoneer registration, all right, and all this. So you click on go to verification center. So once you go there and click on go to verification center, it's going to take you where you are going to log into your Payoneer account. All right, so you're welcome back. Update your security setting. You click on update now. Once you click on update now, it's going to ask you to put in your security question. You remember that your favorite uncle I talked about, you put in right here, and a verification code will be sent to your email address. You go to your email and copy that code and come back and paste it back right here. So once you paste it right here, you click on submit. Once you click on submit right here, it will ask you change and you click on done. When you click on done, it will tell you let's go right here. So when you click on let's go, this is where a lot of people used to have issue. So right here, as you can see, it's telling you that you have information that you need to submit to in verification center. You click on submit now. So once you click on submit now, okay, it's going to bring you right here. You remember the national ID card we talked about is only the phone number, is only the number of the national ID card we added. So right here we are going to update either the national ID card or the driving license. You snap it and upload it right here. And here this selfie is very important. The reason why people are getting not verified is because in this selfie you need to come right here, you write the dates of your submission on a piece of paper and hold the national ID card or the government's approved ID card that you are using for this process. You hold them both and take a selfie and upload it. So this is where a lot of people used to make mistakes. stake. So congratulations, we have successfully created and verified our Payoneer account. So what about for those that want to link their Payoneer account to TikTok account? So currently, for me to help you, show you video practically how to link your Payoneer account to your TikTok account so that you can withdraw your earning. The fee is 10,000 naira to access that video, but because I love you so much, I decided that I'm giving 50% discount. But for you to get my 50% discount, you need to like this video, you need to share this video and comment down. If you comment down, then I will give you link to where you can pay for 5,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira. But if you don't want to do all that, you can just click the description. You'll see a link where you pay 10,000 naira. Thank you so much and hope to see you in my next video. Bye.